Hello friends, welcome to BhuvanaSekhars kitchen. Today I am going to show dry fruit laddu. So let's get started. Take a pan and add peanuts. Roast it on low flame for about 2 minutes. Roast it while stirring in between so it can fry evenly. After 2 minutes, transfer to a plate and let it cool completely. In the same way, add cashews. Roast it for 2 minutes on low flame or until golden brown and aromatic. Transfer to a plate. In the same pan, take almonds and roast it while stirring for about 2 minutes on low flame. Transfer to a plate and let it cool completely. Take 1/4 cup of walnut kernels and roast it for a minute on low flame. Take 1 cup of foxnuts and roast it on low flame until color changes lightly. You can see how crisp they have turned by breaking like this. Transfer to a plate. The same way, add 1/4 cup of sesame seeds and stir until golden brown and nice aroma. Don't fry until dark, otherwise it will be bitter. Take pumpkin seeds and roast for few seconds. After that, add melon seeds and roast it for a minute. Transfer to a plate. Add 1/4 cup of dry coconut which are chopped and roast it for few seconds. After that, add pistachios and roast it for a minute. Allow the ingredients to cool completely for a while. And then take a mixer jar and grind almonds, just pulse and beat for few seconds. Grind all the ingredients in the same manner. After grinding all the ingredients, just mix it all together. And set aside. Now in a pan, take jaggery of 1½ cup with 1/4 cup of water. Cook on medium flame until jaggery dissolves completely and foam is forming. When foam forms like this, you can add the ingredients which we have blended before. Here I am adding in batches wise. If you are using a large pan, then you can add all at once. Switch off the flame and mix it. Here I am transferring the mix to a bowl and mix it all together. Let it cool for some time. When the mix is slightly hot, prepare laddus of your desired shape. That's it friends. Dry fruit laddu is ready to serve. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.